Did you know you can limit the values on the x and y axis in a Matplotlib graph? Let me explain. Let's say you import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and set up two lists to have x and y values. When you plot x and y and run the code, you're going to get this graph. Right now we see the values of x up to 5 and y up to 10. But what happens if we only want to see x up to 3 and y up to 5? To limit the x-axis, we're going to do plt.xlim and in parentheses put where the axis is going to start, comma, where it's going to end. So for this example, I want to start at 0 and end at 3. To limit the y-axis, we do plt.ylim and in parentheses do the same thing. So I put 0 and 5. Now when I run the code, you see that the x-axis goes from 0 to 3 and the y-axis goes from 0 to 5. One thing to note is that you could put any values in the parentheses. So for the xlim, I changed it to -5 and 10, and then ylim, I changed it from -5 to 20. And as you see here, even though the data doesn't reach these numbers, we could still set the axis to those numbers. Like and subscribe for more Python videos.